Hey, hi, hello, it's RebeccaMarie and welcome to or back to my channel. Today I am back with yet another uni themed video, and this one is going to be showing you how to make those togas for the toga parties that are coming up in a week. Yeah, it's super easy and hopefully easy to follow along with as well. I decided to do a voiceover, so if my mouth is moving at random stages in the clips, that's literally just because the background noise is way too much, and I thought it would be nicer for you guys to watch with just like a simple voiceover. So yeah, good luck. I hope you guys have fun at O Week, and hopefully this can help you guys out as well. This is super easy, and all you're gonna need is an old sheet. I'd fully recommend grabbing one from your local secondhand store as they're cheaper and it's better for the environment. A washable marker to mark on the fabric where you want to cut. A pair of scissors. Fabric scissors work best, but any will do. And either a wrap skirt or a denim skirt if you don't have a wrap one. Either works. Let's get started and make the base for our skirt. So first of all, you just want to unwrap your sheet and lay it out however you want to work on it. I got a fitted one and it's super windy outside, even though I chose to film this outside. So I'm going to be wrapping mine around the table so it's a little bit flatter and easier to work on. Then if you have a wrap skirt, you're just going to grab this, and this is so simple. You're going to lay it out and you're literally just going to cut out the exact same shape, including the little tie straps at the top, and it will make the perfect length to go around you and it will already fit you. If you don't have a wrap skirt, we can easily replicate this with a denim skirt or any skirt that fits you. Lay it in the middle of your fabric, grab your washable marker, and put a little dot on either side to mark the length of your waist. Then flip it over and do this again, and then go back to the beginning and do one on the other side as well. So when you've done this, you should have 3 lengths that would go around your waist. Now you're just going to cut along the whole length of the fabric, making sure it's the length of a skirt as well, and we'll come back to those dots in a second. I'm just going to move my other piece of fabric for the top out of the way now, as we don't need it whilst we're working on the skirt. I'm just laying out my skirt piece again, and I'm going to explain this with some diagrams. So this is what you should be starting with, your long strip of fabric and the dots you just drew. Then you want to cut out these sort of shapes, so where your end dots are, you want those to be the bits that go up, and then you just cut along any spare material, making it into a nice thin strap that you will tie around yourself. So this is the shape you want to be left with, and it pretty much just should look like a wrap skirt, and how it looked like when I laid it out before. So as you can see, once I've cut out both of the sides, it makes the shape that I showed you guys, and when I wrap it around me, it looks like a wrap skirt. I'll show you how to make it fit you perfectly later on. Now we've done that, let's make the base for our top. You just want to lay out your fabric again, just super straight. This is so easy. You're just going to cut the full length down the fabric to make a nice strip of fabric. And then personally, I just wanted to add like a triangle to the end so that when it ties up, it's not as bulky on the ends, but this is totally up to you, and you can fully adjust this after you've finished making it and decided what style you want, but I just did mine now whilst it was laid out on the table. Sweet, so now we've got the base for the skirt and the top. Let's make it fit you a little bit better. So you literally just want to get the piece we just all cut out, and you put the middle of it behind you, and then it's literally just like a wrap skirt. So you take this side, and where the like joiny point reaches your fabric, you want to cut a hole in it, just a little snip, and then you can tuck this through. And then wrap it round. And then that is how you make a really simple wrap skirt, but to make it a little bit cuter, I made mine quite a bit shorter, but that's just like the simple basis of it. And then if you really want to like spice it up a little bit, you can grab a pen, and when you're wearing it, just have a look at like where you'd want the slits to go and like how much shorter you'd want it to be. And then you can cut those. And it will fit you way better. It has now been cut quite a bit better, and it's a lot more flattering than it was before. And obviously you can just continue to take off as much length as you like to make it what you want it to look like. Now we've made the skirt fit cute, let's style the top. There are 3 different styles. The first one is classic bandeau. So we have our piece of fabric. First one is literally just like the classic bandeau, and you can obviously change the length of it because you could tie it like that, or you could fold it in half or in thirds and have a nice cropped length. So that's one toga outfit. The next style is a tad more supportive and you can wear a bra with this one. Okay, so a second type of top that I never actually tried but would be good if you need to wear like a strapless bra or like a bra at all would be tuck it in to your bra like this into the like cup part and then wrap this side around like this and it comes back around. You can do the same thing on the other side. Obviously this would work better not on a bandeau top like this, and then you can just tuck it all around instead of having any like no support. So that was obviously like rough, and you could figure out a way to tie it so that it actually like knots up at the back as well, but also like that's quite cute, and it means that you can still wear a bra. So just like tucking it around, it looks a bit funny because of the bandeau top, but that would fit really well just around like a simple bra strap. The third style is just a simple halter. So this was my personal favorite one, and what you want to do is you want to twist and make this nice middle bit nice and thin. And if you did like this style top, I'd suggest you just cut like the middle of it so it's a bit skinnier, and then you put this nice skinny twisted part around your neck like this, and then you want to pull these around like this and tie it at the back like this, and then you grab the front sections and you pull them out, and you've got like a cool like halter neck style. And this was my personal favorite, and you can obviously cut these bits to be a bit thinner so you don't have to twist them, and you can also cut the back to be thinner or shorter, and that's kind of just how you make a toga outfit. And then for leaves, if you need leaves as well, I found mine from the warehouse in like the planting section. It was like fake flowers and stuff, and I personally liked their vines a lot better than the ones at like Look Sharp store, but that's like personal preference. And yeah, so I hope you guys have a really good time. But yeah, thank you for watching, and I'll be back next week again with another video. Bye!